This is a new video from the 5-Minute Exam English channel, and it's focused on the Duolingo English Test. For this video, I've taken a task that you can find on the official practice test, and I've written my own answer. When I show you my answer, I hope to teach you some useful phrases that you can use in your own writing. If you're ready, I'm going to show you my answer. In the first instance, I want to talk about the structure of this text. I've given my recommendation in the first paragraph, and I've explained the reasons for my recommendation in the next paragraphs. It's not necessary to have a complicated structure. Also, it's not necessary to use paragraphs. I have written paragraphs, so my text is easier for you to read. Now let's talk about the words and phrases used in this text. Opt means make a choice from one or more possibilities. This is a high-level piece of vocabulary, suitable for English learners with a level of C1 or above. I've highlighted centre because I've used the spelling in British English. That's fine, however, because in Duolingo all types of English are acceptable. I didn't want to repeat this word in the same sentence, so I used facility as a synonym. A facility is a place or a piece of equipment that is used for a particular purpose. Now I'm moving on to this phrase. In the short term means during a short period of time in the future. The opposite of this phrase is in the long term. We typically use these phrases to make predictions about what's going to happen in the future. In this context, the short term could be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 years into the future, maybe a little bit more. The long term means many years into the future. Now I'm going back to the start of this paragraph. Despite the fact that is a phrase we can use to present a contrast between two situations. In this sentence, the contrast is between the short-term benefits of a business centre and the better long-term benefits of research into agriculture. Next, we have pay off. This phrasal verb means bring success or bring good results. In terms of pronunciation, you may have noticed that I emphasized the second word. Let me read a little bit of text for you. Research into agriculture would pay off in the long term. Mankind means all the people in the world. Require is a synonym of need. However, require is more formal. It's a good word to use when we're writing a formal text. Next, a growing number is an increasing number, a number that's going up. Therefore means for that reason. We use it in the same way as so. I can put this word at the beginning of a sentence, like in this example, or I can put it between the subject and the verb. Foresee is a word we use to make predictions. When you say this word, emphasize the second syllable. If something is well placed, that means it's in a good position to enjoy success in the future. Finally, I've used this word to refer to this small phrase here. That is one of the words we have in English to refer back to something already mentioned. When we use this word, it means we don't have to repeat a phrase in exactly the same way. Before I finish this video, I have a challenge for you. How do you foresee world events in the short term and the long term? Why not write a comment below and share your predictions?